my channel, and today we will be looking at Netlify. I have a React project and I uploaded on Netlify, but one of the routes is not working. So let me show you guys what exactly I mean. And this is the project I uploaded on Netlify. So the main link, the first link is working fine, perfectly. But if I click on project, I reload the application, it shows this page not found, and that's not okay. This is my repository for the application on GitHub. So my GitHub account is connected to Netlify. Whenever I make any changes, I push it to GitHub. Those changes shows up directly to my Netlify application that I have on the server. So what we're gonna do to fix this, I will open up my Visual Studio Code, and inside the public folder, because I created this application with the Create React app, and this is the public folder. What I will do is to create a new file. So I will go ahead and create a new file, and the name of it will be underscore redirect redirect. Make sure you have that, and forward slash star index. Oh, I forgot the forward slash, also forward slash index dot html 200. Okay, so that's it. It's very simple just to fix it, and what I will do is to push it on my GitHub repository to see the changes. I'll add a commit. Okay. Okay, I made a spelling error. Okay, so everything looks fine. I'll go ahead on my GitHub repository to make sure that I have it there. So this is the public folder, and this is the file we created. So if you then go to your Netlify account, and you will see that it's building it. This is the application that I have on my Netlify account, and it shows that it's in the building process. So let's give it a minute and see what we have. Okay, I will go ahead and open up my application, and this is the main page, right? But then I click on the project route and I reload the app. Everything works fine. Okay, that's it. It does not take that long, and thank you for watching. See you next time.